This is the basic keypad layout for the LPC-40L price imputing scale by Tor-Rey. You have your direct access keys on the left hand side. You have 8 available. You have your backlight key. You have your on and off switches. You have your numeric keypad with the clear button. You have the function 0 key, the tear key, recall, store, PrePack, M+, and half and quarter buttons. The half and quarter buttons are rarely used, so I'll bypass their function. To save a price point to your direct access keys, press the price. I'll use the example of $1.99. Then you press the store button, and then you pick which key of the direct access keys you'd like to use. I'll use M1 as an example. So now that price point is assigned to that key. If you hit clear and press this key, M1, you'll see that that price point comes up and is saved and is available for future transactions. The PrePack function is used if you're weighing out multiple items at the same price point. As an example, I'll type in the price point $2.59, and then I'll hit the PrePack button. You'll notice that the arrow here is pointing to the PrePack function, showing that it's active. Now you would place your item on the scale. You would get your price per pound, the total weight, and the total. Now as you remove that from the scale, you'll see that the price point will stay. That way you can weigh out additional items without having to re-enter the price. To exit PrePack mode, simply hit the C button to clear the price. If you need to weigh items in a container, you'll need to use the tear function. To utilize that function, simply place your container on the scale and press the tear key, which is on the upper right hand side of the keypad. That will bring your display back to 0. At this point you can weigh the item and select your price point, and then you get your total. Whenever you finish, simply remove the platter, hit the tear function key again, and the scale will go back to 0. The AC adapter will be plugged in on the bottom of the scale. In the upper right hand side, you'll see the small port there to plug in the scale. On the side of the scale is the serial port. This port is used for connecting the scale to an external label printer.